everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. This video is all about prepping for 2024, steps to achieve your goals, sort of an end of year reset, basically first step to achieve your dreams. So what do you need to end 2023 stronger and get ready to reset your life in 2024? And there are a lot of things that we're going to cover in this video, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be a bit longer than usual, so go grab your coffee or tea and just sit and enjoy. This one is going to be a sit and talk video, and if you really want to reset your life in 2024, set goals that are achievable, get closer to your dreams or achieve them, then you're in the correct spot. We're going to cover all of these things, so this video is going to help you with the first step and basically change how you're going to think in 2024. So I have a lot of things planned for this video. I have a book with a lot of things that are detailedly written, so I'm going to go through a lot of them now, and I'm going to set my goals also. This is going to be like getting the things done together sort of a video, so let's get started. I'm also going to put in the timestamps in the description box and also in the timeline, so if you want to go to any particular one, so feel free to go that, but I would suggest you go through the entire video because we have a lot to cover, and all of these are super helpful. So first I would like to do a couple of things. One is revisiting 2023. Basically I have a couple of journaling prompts that are going to take you back in 2023, and you're gonna basically journal through all of these. If I ask you what did you actually do in 2023, you would not remember, right? It's going to be a blur, and for me especially, I do not remember what I did last week. So this is going to help me a lot because it's basically sort of a categories or questions that is going to pinpoint the asks. So it's going to help you dig through your memory and get the answers basically. Also, I would suggest you going through your phone, all the videos, pictures, all your Instagram posts and the stories that you have added throughout the year just to see the accomplishments. So yeah, starting with the journaling prompts for 2023, like revisiting 2023 are, the first one is the my highlights and accomplishments of the year 2023. So this one I would suggest you go through the categories. So you can have categories like personal life, career, financial and habits. You can go through, so I can say something like, for my personal life I have done blah blah blah, and for career these are my highlights and these are my accomplishments, and for habits so and so. I started going to the gym almost since 2.5 months. I'm going consistently, so I can have that as my accomplishment because I've been the lazy person I've known in my entire year. So that's my accomplishment, and it would be as smaller as it can get. The second prompt would be what boosted my energy the most. So something that given me the most energy, was feeling, top of everything. So that might help you in 2024 as well. So think about it and just write it down. The next one I have here is what drained my energy the most. It's like quite opposite of what boosted my energy. So this one is going to be the one or maybe couple of them. This is going to help you through again in 2024 what drained my energy the most. The next one is what is the one thing I really needed in 2023 but was not able to give myself consistently. So it could be a thing, or it could be a vacation, or it could be your personal life, or anything related to your career, anything that you wanted but then you couldn't give it yourself. It doesn't have to be a thing like a product, but it could be anything. Next one and the last one is what lessons I have learned in 2023. So this one is going to be the most helpful when you're gonna set your goals in 2023, the lessons that you have learned, so that you're not gonna repeat the same mistakes, right? And it could be a smaller lesson as well. Now that we are done with the journaling prompts of revisiting 2023, now let's move on to the next step. So next step is a couple of exercises. So these exercises are something that I actually saw it on Pinterest. So the first exercise is called Wheel of Life. So let me quickly show you guys. Let me quickly open the Wheel of Life on Pinterest. There's so many things that you can download from. So there's like a lot of things in that Wheel of Life. Some might be applicable for you, some might not be. So feel free to remove the ones that you do not need in your Wheel of Life. Print this down, or you can also do it digitally. So here it has like categories like money and finances, career and work, health and fitness, fun recreation environment, and family and friends, partner and love, personal growth and learnings, spirituality, etc. So this has a rating from 1 to 10. So basically this is that we are again revisiting 2023, where exactly you are at this point. So for example, in the money and finances area, I would say I am at a 7 or an 8. So I'm gonna mark that place, that I'm around 7.5 in money and finances. And now let's see the personal growth and learnings. And in the personal growth and learnings, maybe I'm at around 7-ish. Then again, I'll mark that up. And in my health and fitness, that's one of the important goals that I have, is I'm at around a 5. So I know. So I'm at a 5. Now I'll mark that up as well. Now I'll do the same thing with all the other categories. So now let's go back to what you want to be in 2024. For example, I said for health and fitness, I'm at 5, right? So I want to be at around 8 in 2024. I am putting something realistic goals. I don't want to say, yeah, I'm gonna be at a 10. That's not gonna possible. So I'm gonna say I'll be at 8-ish. So I'm gonna mark that down, that I'm at 5 right now, but I want to be at an 8. Next, again with the same, and for money and finances, I'm at a 7.5. I want to be at a 9. I can go for that. And again, for the personal growth and learnings, I would say this is never ending. So I don't want to go beyond expectations. So if I'm at 7.5, I want to be at around 8 or 8.5. I'm good with it. So this is the first exercise. I would recommend you do it, and it's going to help you a lot in your goals that we're going to talk in a minute. The second one is the current versus future me. So this one is again something that is very, very interesting. You take 2 pictures, or you just have 2 circles, and one you say the present me, where I am at, maybe the financial status, or you know, the career wise where you are at, and the personal growth, and in the relationship where you're at. And then when I say relationship, it's not just your husband and children, it's your family, your entire family, and your friends. So write all the present me, all the versions of your present me, what you are at the moment. What you want to become is the future in 2024. So for me, if I said relationship, for me, I want to be more, you know, close to my friends. In 2023, I hardly met my friends. I am super guilty of that. I want to get out. The one we just spoke is the preparation phase. Now we're gonna go for the mindset phase. I'm pretty sure you all are aware of universe, manifesting, and all this. I'm not a big fan of manifesting because I didn't know how that actually works and how it actually is. I seriously do not know, so I don't want to talk about that. But then yeah, mindset is really, really important. A lot of people say that if you manifest, then you get that. Universe will do whatever it takes to deliver that to you. So let's try that in 2024, but with a twist. So I'm not saying that you should just be sitting like that and manifest, yeah, I'm gonna become like this, I'm gonna become like this. No, we're not gonna do that, but we're gonna do something very strategically approved. It's imagining your day-to-day life, or becoming that person that you want to be, and just imagining that you are that person, that future you, and behaving the same way, or making the to-do list or something. In your mind, you're going to be that person that you want to become in your future. So let's think it this way. I want to be very, very productive. I want to meet a lot of friends this time. And I also want to give my family, my daughter, a lot of time. I also want to create a lot of content. I want to create content that is helpful for others. So I want to do all of this, right? So if I'm already at a stage, I'm already this person, what my day-to-day life would look like. Lost my procrastination. I'm just being very productive, and good productive, by the way, not the hustle culture. If that means that I have to wake up at 5 o'clock and plan my day, I'm gonna do that, because if my future self is doing that, why not start and, you know, get used to that now. So right mindset is going to help you in a lot ways. So it's going to make you basically easier. It's not hard on yourself. So now that we are done with the preparation and the mindset, let's go into the main part, which is the planning. Okay, here I'm not going to say that you go and buy a lot of planners, buy templates, buy apps that are like super expensive and you're never going to use them again after January. No, I personally am very guilty of buying a lot of planners every year literally and not using them, maybe using them like for a couple of months, maybe till March the most. I'm super guilty of that, and this time I'm not gonna buy any of the planners. So now you ask me, how do I plan without a planner or something like an app? You can also do it with a minimum basic stuff like a to-do list. So I have a couple of resources that are cheaper than the actual planners. One is this particular one that I got from Amazon. Again, I have not used this much, but I'm planning to use this. So this is sort of an undated to-do list. This has like a date and the plan and the top 3 priorities: the to-do list, the plan and schedules, the note, and meals, exercise, rate your day, water intake, etc, etc. And it's like 1 page a day, so you have like a lot of stuff, and this is undated. So the next one is this planner. This is also from Amazon. This has like a transparent sheet on a top, just so you can see what's written over here. And this again is sort of a spiral bound to-do list, and this is simple. Again, a lot of space for to-do list. It has top priorities for tomorrow for planning and appointment calls, notes, etc. I personally feel this is super big. You can also get a smaller one if they have it available. I'll link all these that I'm mentioning in the description so that you can check them out. But if you're somebody who likes to plan your stuff digitally, then I have a couple of options for you. One, if you're Apple user, then you have Notes, which is super simple and free, so you can use that. It's going to be really helpful. You can add your notes as a widget as well, so that whenever you open your phone you can see the notes. The next one is called Todoist. This is also a free app where you can add in all the ones. I do not use it much because it's a bit complicated, so if you like something that you want to plan it out, this is something that you can think of. The next one, if you like to plan everything, organize and have everything in your plate, then Notion is really nice for you. It's free, and there's a lot of templates available online as well. And I do have my personal Notion dashboard with my content calendar and my daily tasks and basically everything that I would need to process my life. So if you are interested in getting my template, please do let me know in the comments, and I will create a dashboard that I can share with you all. And again, you think Notion is going to be very overwhelming and Notes is very simple, and mixed feelings about all this stuff, then I would highly suggest you go for the Excel tracker, wherein you can put all your basic categories, which one you would use in your daily life. It's not actually is created for somebody else, but it's created for you. Like, it's customized and it's created for you by you. So an Excel tracker for all your daily stuff or the things that you would like to do, like a to-do list. And also, when I say planning, it's not just the planning of your to-do list, but it's also important that you track your finances and plan your finances for 2024. If one of the goals or one of the things that you would like to change in 2024 and become a better person at, financial tracking is also really important. And if you want to have an Excel tracker of all the financials, then do let me know. I do have a monthly financial tracker as well as the overall every month sort of overall for a year. So please do let me know in the comments so that I can add in my to-do list. So December is ending and we have a lot of things to prep for. Hopefully this video will go live by 15th, which is Friday. I'm actually shooting this on 14th. So if it's 15, then you have 15 more days to plan and prep and use all the steps and the exercises and resources that I'm explaining in this video to help shape your 2024 better. So that now we are done with the base, which is where we're gonna plan. So let's talk about what we're gonna plan. Let's set some SMART goals now. SMART goals basically mean specific, measured, achievable, relevant, and time bound. So basically the goals that you're gonna set are going to be specific, not like I'm gonna lose weight. How much weight are you gonna use? Our goals need to be specific and measurable and achievable. Achievable means something that you know that you're gonna achieve. One thing I was just discussing about the health and fitness in the Wheel of Life exercise, wherein I was saying my health and fitness is at 5 at the moment and I want to be at 8. So this is something that is achievable. I could be at 8 by the end of 2024, but 10 is something that is not achievable. I know that I'm not going to be like an athlete. So if I'm going to be, then well and good, but I want to keep realistic goals. So something that is relevant to you. And the most important, time bound. So all of your goals should have a deadline. So basically I use this formula or a strategy. This one I got it from my office, wherein we set goals every quarter. So it's like 3 months. So this is going to be the time bound, and it said that if you have goals for like 5 years, you will take 5 years to achieve that. So better to have like a time bound wherein you are going to work for that and achieve the goals. So try this one, try the quarterly goals, and let me know if that works for you. Now that we have all this preparation, mindset and planning set to rock and reset for 2024, I want you to take this challenge for this 15 days. I don't want you to start everything, whatever you're seeing over here or the goals that you have. I don't want you to start everything in Jan, like, you know, 1st Jan. Do not do that. A lot of people do this mistake of starting in Jan and just doing it for like a couple of days or months and stopping that. I want you to take this challenge. You're going to start it from today itself or mostly tomorrow. Once you reach January 1st, you already are been doing things that are required to fulfill your dreams or get through your goals. So it's not going to be like a forced start on Jan 1st, but it's going to be like a continuation. So that is going to help you a lot. So let's do these couple of things the most. One is decluttering. So basically getting all the things that you do not need in your life, be it people, things, or something in your mind. Just declutter stuff. Physically and mentally declutter as much as possible to feel like a new person again. I'm pretty sure we all have some things, especially clothes and things that we do not use or expired already, and it's just lying in our cupboards and in our kitchen. So first, get rid of those stuff. Get rid of a lot of clothes that you're not gonna use. Declutter them. Same with your cosmetics, skincare, makeup and everything, and your home, things that are in your home that are piled up. Then we'll also declutter our mental space, wherein we'll remove the toxic people that are eating up and toxic things that are happened in 2023. We are going to let them go. We're not gonna bring them to 2024. The third declutter I want you to do is your digital declutter. So digital declutter is something that you have the data in your phone, like images, documents, your screenshots. God knows how many screenshots we have taken till now, and I have never gone through them again after taking the screenshot. So all your phone data and your laptop, all the areas that are not looked upon, those are the downloads area, the documents area especially, and clean up your desktop. I know we're all guilty of adding everything in our desktop thinking that we might use them later, but we do not use them. So take this time, start organizing stuff so that you're going to feel fresh and positively. You might carry this in 2024 as well. And the next thing that we're gonna do is create our vision board. Now that we have all the exercises and the journaling prompts, the answers that we have and the goals that we have, you know where you want to be at, what person that you want to become, you can create the vision board. So that something is going to reflect you. You do not really need a vision board printed in or if once pasted on your wall. You just need a simple one as your phone wallpaper or your desktop wallpaper. Simple as that. Whenever you look at it, you know this is your vision for 2024. With all this preparation, mindset and planning, now we are ready to end 2023 strong and reset our life in 2024. I hope this is helpful and I hope this is useful to many of you who are stuck. Should I exactly do? And you actually have some sort of plans that you want to do in 2024 but not sure where I start. And I hope this was useful and start with this challenge. I'm also going to set my goals, create my vision board and create my to-do list. And please do let me know if you need the Notion template to duplicate and the Excel tracker and the financial tracker for 2024 monthly and annually, so that I shall start working on it now on so that I can deliver to you by 2024. So with that, we're gonna end this video. Hopefully it's not going to be super long and I didn't bore you all at all. And as I said, I have a lot of content that I've planned for you all, something that is going to help you who is watching my content. So if you like to stick around, please do subscribe to my channel. And if this video helped you in some way or the other, please do hit that like button so I do know that I'm inspiring somebody. Okay, so my laptop battery died. I just triggered that, didn't close the video yet. So yeah, I'm super excited to see you guys in my next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.